Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Gorski back, and today what we're going to be doing, we are going to be looking for number patterns today. So when we were working in kindergarten, we were doing patterning with colors and with shapes and different manipulatives, but today we are going to be looking for number patterns in number sentences today. And as you can see, looking at all our number sentences, they are all going to equal or total up to the same number, which is 6 today. And 6 was a great number that I picked because it's not really a big number, but it's not really a little number. So we have quite a few combinations that we could take a look at to find some of those patterns. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I already have some counters here available that I already have them set up so we could kind of easily find our pattern later. But first, we're going to go ahead and make all our number sentences first before we start looking for those number patterns. So as you can see, I have red and yellow counters. So this first combination up here, as you can see, they only have red counters. So there's no yellow. So let's count and see how many red we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red. And no yellow, which obviously means 0. So our number sentence here is going to be 6 plus 0 equals 6. So anytime you add that 0 to a single digit number, you're going to see how they're going to match. So yes, we definitely have 6 as our answer there. Let's go to our next number sentence. So as you can see, I have some red, and now I do have a yellow. So let's see what our number sentence is here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red, 1 yellow. So our number sentence here is going to be 5 plus 1 equals 6. To double check yourself, count them all up. Make sure you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to our next one. I have, again, red and yellow. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 red, 1, 2 yellow. So therefore, our number sentence here is going to be 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's count them all up. Make sure that's what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, keep on going. I have red and yellow again. 1, 2, 3 red, 1, 2, 3 yellow. So our number sentence here is going to be 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's count them up. Make sure that's what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, going right along. Let's keep going. 1, 2 red, 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. So this one is going to be 2 plus 4 equals 6. I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're good. All right. Now I have 1 red and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. So my number sentence here is going to be 1 plus 5 equals 6. Here's our final one. No reds this time. So that means I have 0. How many yellows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my number sentence here is going to be 0 plus 6 equals 6. So we have everything set up here. So now, here's the big question. Where's the patterns? So let's take a look at our reds. As you can see, my reds were always going to be my starter number. So let's see how those starter numbers are counted. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So when we count in kindergarten, we count forward. We could also count backwards. So as you notice, we are counting backwards on our first number. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. They're counting back by 1. That is a pattern. Let's take a look at our yellows. That would be our second number that is in our number sentence. So now I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you could see there is another pattern here. My yellows are going up by 1. So we're counting forward. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have some counting back. We have some counting forward. But let's even see some other things. So as you can see, when we do number sentences, and the further we went in our number sentence patterns, you can notice that there are some similar numbers. Some numbers are the same, but what they did was a flip-flop. I call them turnaround facts. Sometimes we call them flip-flops too. So here's a 6 plus 0. Do we have a 6 plus 0 or a 0 plus 6? Do we still have those same numbers on our chart here? Yes, we do. Let me change up my marker. I'm going to show you. From here to there. Notice 6 plus 0, 0 plus 6. Notice we still get 6 as our answer. Even though the numbers are switched around, you still get 6. You're still counting 6. Your total is still the same. Look at 5 plus 1. Get Joe's detective eyes on. Do you see another 5 and 1 or 1 and 5? I know I do. Right there. There's another flip-flop. What about 4 and 2? Do you see another one of those? 2 and 4? I sure do. Right there. There's another flip-flop. The only one we don't have a flip-flop for is 3 and 3. Because if you flip-flop it, it's going to be the same exact number. Same exact number sentence. 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 3. That's not changing. But notice how you have 6 as your answer for every single one. Because another thing is, it doesn't matter how you add those numbers in the order that you add them. You are still going to get the same answer. So, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed our little pattern activity today. I hope you get to practice some of this at home because you could do different numbers. You could do 7. You could do 5 as a total. You could do 10 as a total. But just remember, the bigger the number you have, the more combinations you're going to make. So I will be talking to you soon. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.